Hi, I'm Donna Tellum, Vice President of Product Management for Spring Mobile Solutions. Today I'd like to introduce you to our mobile sales application. Mobile sales is an order processing solution so powerful, it's like having an ERP system in your pocket. Spring Mobile Sales goes beyond traditional Salesforce automation applications by providing truly seamless offline and online use with lightning fast syncing and updates. The application includes the ability to plan customer visits and perform in-store audits such as compliance checks, promotion execution, planogram compliance, and other in-store surveys. Reps can also share collateral with customers directly from their mobile device. Our customers selected Spring's mobile sales product because they had the need to enable their customers to increase their sales productivity by being more consultative with their customers, and because they needed their field sales reps to have access to the apps even when the internet is not available. They also had no visibility into their sales performance activities, so they could leverage the information to do more strategic selling. They needed a system that was easy to use because they have large field sales operations that needed the ability to quickly learn and begin using the mobile apps. By saving the amount of time required to prepare for each customer visit and ensuring accurate pricing, our customers are able to increase sales and rapidly realize significant return on investment. Spring's solutions are the only ones on the market that offer true offline capabilities. All data is stored in our servers on the cloud and synchronized with the mobile devices in the field. If a user loses connectivity, they are still able to complete all of their work without any indication they've lost connectivity. When the connection is restored, all the data is then synchronized with the cloud server. Spring's mobile apps can save your reps as much as 40 minutes in total visit time. Most field reps I've observed in the field spend about 20 minutes reviewing customer files before they start their visit, so they're aware of what's been going on in the store. We have eliminated this by presenting that data right inside the customer record, with information on store performance, order status, and in-focus products for that store. Additionally, another 20 minutes of productivity is gained through the ease of use and guided execution provided by the apps. The result is an average of 2 hours of productivity gain per day, with an addition of 1 hour gain by eliminating the end-of-the-day summary and reporting activities for a total of 3 hours gain per rep per day. Additional benefits provided by the app include the ability to share product information directly from the device with your customer, enabling them to browse the product catalog with you and view up-to-the-minute pricing. Reps also have indication when issues have arisen with the customer, so when they enter the store, they're aware and can proactively address them with the customer. By sharing rich media collateral and accessing rich product information, reps can more easily guide customers through the sales process, helping customers to make more informed purchasing decisions. Having a complete customer profile and current customer stats at your fingertips of your reps enables them to build stronger relationships with their customers and be more consultative in their sales process. Spring's powerful offline capabilities enable reps to have penny-perfect pricing available to them at all times. This prevents miscommunications with the customers while in the store that often result in sales reps having to go back to their customer to inform them of unexpected price changes. As the reps move in and out of internet coverage, the app will synchronize in the background without the user knowing that the synchronization is even happening. There's no effect on the performance of the app while the sync is taking place. Pre-built sales KPIs are displayed within the mobile application and keep the rep informed of their most current performance metrics, which drives productivity. Store KPIs also display within the customer visit details, so reps can always be aware of their drivers for each customer. So now I'd like to share with you a few of the mobile features for the field sales reps. The visit planning dashboard is where the field rep plans out his daily visit. As you can see on the right, this is where they actually see all of their list of visits. And we also have their KPI performance metrics on the left, along with their comparison of their peers. They can see where they stand against the top 3 other reps in their group. What's nice about this is that we have found that when we use these kind of rankings and the KPI performance metrics, what we find is that there tends to be a 30% improvement in productivity. The other nice thing about this tool is that we leverage the capabilities on the device, such as the mapping. So the user can actually see how their routes are laid out on a map. They can also see where they may have customers that don't have visits planned for the day, and they can go ahead and say, oh, I think I'll schedule a visit there, tap on it, and add it to their visit plan. It also does things like enable them to tap on it to take me to that customer and give them the best route to the customer, as well as being able to email or phone them right from this area of the app. The visit detail dashboard, this is the part where you're actually going to start seeing the real improvement in visit time, because this screen actually eliminates that pre-visit preparation that I had mentioned earlier in the presentation. So just from this screen alone, I think you can gain your 20 minutes per visit improvement. So in the visit details, there is a checklist that guides the user through the activities that need to be done in the store. They'll see in-focus products that need to be carried in the store, as well as store performance metrics and issues that are going on in there, so they can be more proactive when they meet with the sales manager. In the product catalog, you're able to list out all of the products that rep can sell. This list is actually filtered so that it is only showing products that are available to sell in each store. If you prefer, you can also insert product pictures in this screen as well. The sales order processing screen is where you see the penny perfect pricing. So another benefit of our offline capabilities is the fact that our pricing is very, very accurate up to the last time that you synced. And this is where, like I mentioned earlier, that you prevent the need to have to go back to the customer and tell them, oh, I'm sorry, your pricing changed, when you go back later and enter a sales order in the traditional format. On the surveys, on the invoicing, you can see all of the invoices that are associated with the customer, and they can also perform returns from here. The great feature about this is that anytime that a customer wants to make a return, there is a direct correlation with invoices that they have in process. So we actually know that if they're returning 4 cases of this product, yes, they actually purchased it, and it was purchased on this invoice. And that eliminates things like fraud that tend to happen in some of the emerging markets that's been reported to us by our customers. The sales collateral and media application, this one enables the user to actually see all of the collateral that's available to them to support their sales process. And this actually supports video, PowerPoint, Excel, just about any kind of media that you can think of. And it enables them to mark things as favorites. And it's also categorized along the bottom by featured, what are your favorites, which ones haven't you read, and what are the most popular amongst all of the reps that are using this out in the field. Our applications leverage all of the capabilities that come on the mobile device, as well as some third-party applications, including the mapping, like I showed you, the ability to capture digital signatures from within the app, the ability to use barcode readers to locate products in the product catalog and to get pricing information, and the ability to attach photographs into any customer record as part of the notes. So let's talk for a minute about our command console features for managers and supervisors. Our territory management dashboard enables you to get a more personal interaction with your field reps, or I should say it seems like an interaction. Since your field reps are always out in the field, you'll be able to see a picture of them associated with their performance metrics, including top and bottom performers. This is just a really nice way to stay in touch and informed with how your reps are performing. The mobile collateral publishing display is a really easy way to publish the collateral out to the devices, like I showed you on the mobile device, how the users are able to see the collateral. This is where you publish it. And again, you can publish it with criteria such as the start date and end date, and once it expires, it's actually removed from the device so it doesn't clutter. And you can also see how well, how frequently something's being used, so that you know how useful the collateral is, and it'll help you to more efficiently manage your collateral. For the managers, we also have a performance optimization console, again, helping you to keep on track with your KPIs and understand how your top and bottom performers are doing. And I like to recommend to our customers that they use this as an opportunity to identify potential coaches for their team who can coach the bottom performers to come more up in productivity, so they can start seeing them up here in the top performer area. And lastly, I just wanted to mention that all of our apps have multi-device capability, so they can be used on any iOS or Android device, including phones and tablets. If you'd like to learn more about our mobile sales application, please feel free to visit our website or contact a sales representative.